Hey everyone, my name is Jacob. I'm with Podflow and I'm going to show you real quick a demo of this new and highly requested prompt studio feature. It's kind of like ChatGPT, except that it knows all about your episode. And so I'll take you through an example of something that one of you guys requested or asked. It was about a social media post, and I saw that one of you said something like, create me this post from this person's perspective. And that's perfect. It's a really, really smart use of this prompt studio feature because if you look at this episode announcement post that we have in the social media tab, it says, curious about speaker identifications and podcasts, learn from Jacob as he showcases. And so like I wouldn't post that because I wouldn't say learn from Jacob referring to myself in the third person. And so in this case, I wanted to say, I check out this new feature and make it really casual and quick and something succinct that I might be able to post on Twitter. So here we go. We'll go into the prompt studio and we'll type in our first prompt. And because I already have this written down, I'll just go ahead and use that. Write me a social media post from Jacob's perspective, focus on the new feature. And because I've done this before, I know that it's going to spit out kind of this longer thing with a few emojis. I don't really want any emojis. I'm just trying to find something that suits my style. And that's the whole purpose behind Prompt Studio. And what's great about Prompt Studio in combination with another feature where you can modify the outputs is that you can click this modify button and then tweak it to whatever, to anything you'd like. So it says exciting news podcasters just launched this new feature on Podflow AI. It's like there's lots of exclamation points, there's lots of emojis. And so I kind of I'll click this modify button. I'll start with make this more casual. I just want it to be pretty simple. And then I'll ask it to remove any extra emojis and make it a little bit shorter, just something quick to post. So this is great. It made it a little more casual. It says now labeling speakers in your episodes is a piece of cake. Say goodbye to mix-ups and, okay. So I made it a little more casual. And then I also want to modify it so that it removes the emojis and makes the response 2 sentences long. And so once this generates, I think we'll get something that I like. And Prompt Studio is really good at creating things that I didn't think of when I was creating this app in the first place, right? We have tons of pieces of content, but there might be something that you want every time that is more your style or you found works really well for your audience. And so in this case, it says, hey, podcasters, Jacob here with exciting news. I would just say, our new feature on Podflow AI, simplify speaker identification, blah, blah, blah. It's pretty casual. It's sweet. It's got a few hashtags for use later. I can click this copy button and then paste it wherever I want, right? Or I can click this save button, and the next time that I upload an episode to Podflow, it automatically regenerates this very prompt. It'll create a social media prompt accordingly. So I can click save, and that's pretty much it. That's the Prompt Studio feature in combination with the modifications. So you can get exactly what you want every single time. Cheers.